Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into how to transform your boring desktop into a visually stunning and personalized masterpiece. We'll be using Rainmeter, a powerful tool that lets you add customizable widgets, visualizers, and more to your desktop. So, let's get started. Step 1. Download Rainmeter and install it. Step 2. Explore Rainmeter. Once installed, Rainmeter will likely display some default widgets. Right-click on any widget to access its settings. You can usually adjust size, position, opacity, and more. Experiment with the default widgets to get a feel for how Rainmeter works. Step 3. Find and install skins. You can download skins from official Rainmeter website or other like DeviantArt. Skins are pre-made packages of Rainmeter widgets that offer a cohesive look and feel. You choose any skin and download it. By the way, if you search Squid Game on your browser, you can play a game, red light, green light. Now get down to business. Step 4. Choose a high-resolution wallpaper that complements your Rainmeter setup. You can also download from these websites. Step 5. Taskbar settings. Now, first center your taskbar. I have already made a video on this, so check out this video on description or click on I button. Now remove unnecessary icons on taskbar and make it clean. Step 6. Finalize the things. Now set the wallpaper that you downloaded. Head to the folder where you download skins and double-click on it and install it. First, unload the default skin. Now click on Continue and choose the resolution. You can also change the color. Now adjust this as you want. Just drag it to the center. As you can see, it looks quite good now. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.